we're attracted to things that bring the trauma. You see, yeah, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the U.S., the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you don't have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man's gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear the beats. Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us and some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Love.
Can't always these are strangers, the world is sensitive. Love and peace so strong. Why pieces of love don't belong? Nations don't belong. Chemical gases filling lungs of little ones. Ongoing suffering. As you die, so ask yourself, is the loving really gone? Really, what is going on in this world that we live in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions of them giving in, affecting each other. Deny the other. A war's going on, but the reason will be covered. The truth is kept secret, it's left to the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Where's the love, y'all? Come on, I don't know. Where's the truth, y'all? Come on, I don't know. Where's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them fighting. Can you practice what you preach? Or would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us and some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Get the weight of the world off the shoulders. As I'm getting older, our people get colder. The us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following the wrong direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinema. Yo, whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding, leading lives away from unity. That's the